Hello everyone. Inshallah we will study statistics. We have lesson dispersion. First, the standard deviation of values. The standard deviation, we have symbol of the standard deviation which is sigma. We have sigma or the standard deviation equal square root summation of x minus x bar all to the power 2 over n. X here, the values he gives you in your example. X bar, which is mean. What's the meaning of the mean? As we studied in the last year, summation of values over the number of the values. Here n is the number of values. For example, calculate the standard deviation of the values 8, 9, 7, 6 and 5. At first we want to get the mean, which is x bar equal summation of x over n. As we said, summation of x, it means summation, يعني sum of the values. يبقى values here 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 over its number. Here we have how many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. يبقى over 5. And get it in your calculator. We get x bar equals 7. Okay, we draw a table, write x, the values, and write x minus x bar and x minus x bar all to the power 2. Why? To substitution in the rule, which is, here we have again the rule is summation of x minus x bar all to the power 2 over n under the square root. So we want to get x minus x bar all to the power 2. How to get it? First get x minus x bar. Type x here has 8, يبقى 8 minus 7, which is 1. Here 9 minus 7 equals 2. Here 7 minus 7 equals 0. 6 minus 7, which is negative 1. 5 minus 7, which is negative 2. Okay, first get the values of x minus x bar. Okay, here make it power 2. We make here 1 power 2, which is 1. 2 power 2, which is 4, 0 power 2, which is 0. Negative 1 all to the power 2. All to the power 2, which is 1. Negative 2 all to the power 2, which is 4. Okay, and get it the total of them. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, substitution in the rule. يبقى here we have sigma equals summation of x minus x bar power 2 يعني total. Here we have 10 over number of values. As we said, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. All of this under the square root. And get it in your calculator. Approximately it will be 1.4. يبقى the value of sigma or the value of the standard deviation is 1.4. يبقى first we want to get the standard deviation of some values. Write a table, write the values here and name it x. Get x minus x bar which is mean the sum of values over its number, and get x minus x bar all to the power 2. Okay, second we want to get a standard deviation of a frequency distribution. Here he gives me a table and he wants to get the standard deviation. We have another rule, sigma equal, as we said, summation of x minus x bar all to the power 2 times k. K here gives you in the table, okay, over summation of k. Here we have the ages and called it x. The number of person we called it k. يبقى here we know x and k. يبقى first we want to get x bar. As we said before, x bar mean, it means summation of x times k over summation of k. يبقى first we want to get x times k. Type, write a table. Okay, here we have table. Write the values of x, write k, get x times k يعني 15 times 2, 20 times 3, 22 times 5 and so on. يبقى here we get 15 times 2 here اهو equal 30. 20 times 3 60. 22 times 5 110. 23 times 5 115. 25 times 1 25. 30 times 4 120. And get the total. Here the total of k, which is 20. He said in the table. يبقى total of k 20. Here total, make in your calculator. 30 plus 60 plus 110 plus 115 plus 25 plus 120, it will be 460. Okay? Direct in the rule بقى to get x bar. يبقى summation of x times k, which is total here 460, over summation of k, which is 20. So here we get x bar equals 23 years. Okay, because we talk about ages. Okay, طيب get x minus x bar. X here 15 minus 23. يبقى write 15 minus 23, it will be 8. Get 20 minus 23, it will be negative 3. يبقى here 20 minus 23, it will be negative 3. 22 minus 23, 22 minus 23, it will be negative 1. 23 minus 23, it will be 0. 25 minus 23, it will be 2. 30 minus 23, it will be 7. Here we have the values of x minus x bar, which is 8, negative 3, negative 1, 0, 2, 7. Make it power 2. We get 8 power 2, which is 64. Negative 3 all to the power 2, which is 9. Negative 1 power 2, 1. 0 power 2, 0. 2 power 2, 4. 7 power 2, 49. أنا عارفة إن هي رخمة، بس هو التيبل بنحفظ إيه اللي بيجاب فيه. أوكي؟ طيب the last column we get x minus x power 2 times k. What is the k? The second column here, which is 2, 3, 5, 5, 1 and 4. طيب يبقى here we get x minus x power 2, which is 64. 64 times k اللي هي 2 تديني 128. أعمل 9 times 3 تديني 27. هنا أعمل 1 times 5 which is 5. 0 times 5 which is 0. 4 times 1 which is 4. 49 times 4 which is 196. And get the sum of them. 128 plus 27 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4 plus 196, which is 360. Direct substitution in the rule. As we said, here we have sigma equals summation of x minus x bar all to the power 2 times k. السمشن بتاعهم بكام لسه جايبينه؟ 360 over the summation of k. Don't forget to write the square root. Direct substitution 360 divided summation of k, which is 20, equals root 18. Okay, يبقى أجيب approximated ليها, which is 4.2 years. Okay, طب here if the table direct. طيب هنا table مديني الشرطة دي. يعني ايه الشرطة دي؟ يعني هنا in the previous example ال 15 الايدجز بتاعتهم 15 هم 2 persons. الايدجز اللي بتاعتهم 20 هيبقوا 3 persons. الايدجز اللي بتاعتهم 22 هيبقى 5 persons and so on. طب هنا بقى هنا مديني distribution of weekly زي السالري بتاعهم. قال لي اللي بيقبضوا هنا من 35 ل 45 هيبقوا 10 workers 10 persons برضه. من 45 ل 55 14. يعني الماينس دي بتقول لي from 45 to 55. from 55 to 65 يبقى 20. from 65 to 75 28. from 75 ل 85 20. طبعا هنا انا ماشيه كل 10 يبقى اكيد هنا 95. من 85 ل 95 يديني ايه؟ 8. اوكي. طيب we want to get also the standard deviation. as we said, first we want to get x bar. x bar here equals summation of x times k, like the previous example, over summation of k. But first we want to get summation of x times k. Write sets as we said here 35 45 and طيب دي السيتس. الاكس بقى ايه هي؟ قال لي الاكس ده اللي هو السنتر. طيب نجيب السنتر ازاي بقى؟ بيبقى اللور ليميت بلس الابر ليميت اعمل لها divided 2. يعني ايه؟ يعني 35 بلس 45 اعمل لها divided 2. يبقى here we have 35 plus 45 divided 2 which is 40. طب هنا 45 plus 55 اعملها divided 2 تديني 50. 55 plus 65 divided 2 تديني 60. طبعا هنا ماشيه كل 10 يبقى اكيد في السنتر همشي كل 10 40 50 60 يبقى 70 يبقى 80 يبقى 90 and check. لو جيت عملت 55 plus 65 divided 2 تديني 70. 65 plus 75 divided 2 تديني 80 and so on. طيب الكي ايه هي الكي؟ he gives you in your example as we said here الكي هيبقى 10 14 20 28 28. يبقى here كي هيبقى 10 14 20 28 20 and 8. in your example he don't gives you the total, so get the total. how to make plus. يبقى هنا هنعمل 10 plus 14 plus 20 plus 28 plus 20 plus 10 هيديني ال 100 workers اللي هو قال لي عليهم في الاكزامبل. يبقى التوتال بتاعهم هيبقى 100. طيب get x times k يبقى هعمل 40 times 10 تديني 400. 50 times 14 تديني 700. 60 times 20 تديني 1200. 70 times 28 1960. 80 times 20 1600. 90 times 8 720 and get the total 400 plus 700 plus 100 plus 1200 and so on. هيديني الصم بتاعهم كلهم 6580. اوكي finally get x minus x bar times k. طيب هنا we have x 40 يبقى هقول 40 minus x bar. we want to get x bar as we said the summation of x times k اللي هي 6580 over السمشن بتاع الكي اللي هو 100 هيديني ايه 65.8. بتكلم هنا عن السالري يعني باوند. طيب يبقى انا هنا محتاجه اعمل x minus x bar. x bar دايما بيبقى عندي كونستانت ثابت. يبقى 40 minus 65.8 all to the power 2 اعمل لها تايمز للكي. هنا الفاليو بتاعت الكي 10 واشوفها بكام تديني 665.4. نفس الكلام هعمل هنا 50 minus 65.8 اعمل لها باور 2 تايمز هنا 14 تديني نفس الكلام اعمل 60 minus 65.8 all to the power 2 هنا اعمل لها تايمز 20 تديني 0.8. اعمل هنا 70 minus 65.8 all to the power 2 times 28 تديني نيجي 80 minus 65.8 all to the power 2 اعمل لها times 20 تديني 90 minus 65.8 all to the power 2 times 8. طيب بعد كده نعمل لهم sum. نعمل sum of these values البلس بتاعهم. the result will be 20 and 063. يبقى finally get the sigma. الرول بتاع السيجما as we said here summation of x minus x bar all to the power 2 times k over the summation of k all of these under the square root. يبقى equal السمشن بتاعهم here 20,036 over the summation of k اللي هو 100 all of these under the square root. the result approximately it will be 14.15. بتكلم على salary يعني pounds. okay thank you.